So we're painting. I tried to cheat and paint some of this stuff from underneath, and it's just not good enough quality. I'm not going to do that. So here goes another day. I got to paint underside of the hood, underside of the trunk, doors, fenders, valance, and then correct some mistakes on the car itself. So here we go. Oh, and there's a big run right here I got to fix before we do anything. Yay. This is so much prep to get ready for it.
Is there a second filter?
This is water separator. There's even a filter in there too. Okay, let's try it one more time. This wouldn't be the end of the world, but I like it to do that. Now we know you're not coming in and out of that door. I can move it right there. Still don't hit it though. I'm going to paint the hood first, then I'm going to move to this side, then that side, then the bottom of the trunk, then the doors.
There's a sticker in here.
I'm not painting the inside, just the still.
What is the valve down here?
What the hell?
It's a generallee function.
Yeah. So we want 2 to 1 to 1. So we need to go on this one and go up to the 4, up to the 4, and up to the 4. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, stand back so I can do this. Way. So we're going to go up to the 4, and that measures the right amounts that we need. Okay, so we got 4 parts of paint. I mean 2 parts of paint, but 4, and it's confusing. Two. These cups on it have 2 to 1 to 1 to 1. And we do up to the 4, and this 4 is like how much of it you have. Like I don't even know what it is, but it's like, you know, enough to fit into 1 paint cup. Then we go up to the 4 on the next line, because I found that about 4 parts fills up the gun. Okay. So no. This is the hardener.
The 4.
On this line.
Oh, why that line?
Because it's 2 to 1 to 1. See, there's 1 to 1, 2 to 1 to 1, 3 to 1 to 1.
Different ratios make different paint consistency.
Make it, yeah, different, exactly. And then up to the 4 on this one of the converter.
What is the converter?
Converts it. Try to make it as accurate as you can. Okay? Stir. Now the normal paint guns, they have their own little cup. I have these that are disposable, so you don't have to clean the cup every time. The outside is to keep, but the inside is a disposable shell. I'll show you when we're done, or I can show you in a minute. And I like to strain the paint through a funnel, like a strainer, if there's any crud in it.
Overlap. What? You gotta overlap 50%. Yeah, like you're mowing the lawn. But don't leave it in one spot very long. You'll puddle.
Alright, time for an update. We got the car painted. I got those back seat arm door panel things in the works. Gonna paint those black. They're kind of full now. I got the cowl area fixed, the roof area fixed. Da 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 da. They got fixed. The door jambs and the inside of the doors are better. They weren't bad, but they're perfect now. The trunk I need to get in here, and a little bit, still missed a couple of spots. It was just sweat. Those are the reflector housings. Over there on that little stool are the quarter panel extensions. There's the front valance. The fenders look beautiful. Wife says I should paint this over, and this, and a little bit down here, which I can see. So I'm gonna do that. And the hood though, the underside of the hood, I can't believe how beautiful it came out, except for underneath the lip. Maybe a little bit right there. So I'm gonna paint this under this lip, maybe a little there, maybe a little there. And a little bit on the car, and then the trunk. My son, the first time he ever painted now, painted inside the trunk. First time. It is really hard to get around in there. I'm gonna do a second coat in there and get where he missed, hopefully. So we're gonna paint that this morning. And then I'm gonna sand it all down to 600. So much damn sanding. I mean, can't even tell you how much. If you're not willing to be in some serious pain, don't do this, because the sanding will wreck you. Anyway, I'm complaining a little bit, but I've got carpal tunnel now. I'm gonna paint all these black today. If I get enough time, I'll paint the tail light panel black. We'll see how that goes. Maybe while I'm at it, I'll paint the rear, the tail light panel and stuff. At least the bottom part, paint another coat of orange. Doesn't really need it, but it couldn't hurt. All right, thanks for watching. Oh, I forgot, I'm gonna paint these. The console, these visors and some trim. Paint those black too. So that ought to be entertaining. Bye.